forward and step, touch. Forward and step, touch. Forward and step, touch. There's 4 of these. Okay, and your EEs go. So we do our toma here. Your EEs are going to go down and up each time. Okay, so we're here. Toma 2, 3, 4, and here we go now. Push 2, 3, 4. Push 2, 3, 4. Push 2, 3, 4. Push 2, 3, 4.
This one.
Yeah. Okay? Now we're here. You're going to do 8 walks to face the other side. So you're going to do 4 as the center. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Go back again. 4 center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So these come up and down. Excuse me. The right comes up. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop there. Quick, get back to where you were and squish it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3. And the same thing. Walk. Walk 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 2, 3, 4, 5. I forgot to tell you, your EE stay front. So it's walk 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So it comes from your hips to front, leave them there. Okay? Try it from the beginning. And your knees are going to go backwards. Snap. Your knees are going to go back. And take this foot back. There you go. Okay. From here, from the wrist there.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Boom. Everybody's got to push to the right. That's got to be a right push.
Ready?